Hello guys, welcome back to JDX. Today let's talk about the search option. In search option, we get 3 boxes to fill 3 words that are going to be in the item name. Suppose we want to search for pad bolero. We can type pad here and type bolero here. Click on save. It will search for all the pads. Now it will not only search for the brake pad, but it will also search for the coil pad, because coil pad also has the pad and bolero, these 2 words which we search for in the item name. Now suppose you want to search a brake pad in Rane for bolero, so you can type pad bolero and Rane. You got the pad for bolero Rane. This is the pad for bolero. Make sure you don't write 2 words in one box. If you write 2 words in one box, what happens is it looks for the same pattern in the item name. Suppose you write bolero pad here, then it will not search for anything. The reason is there is no item with the word bolero space pad, because normally I write pad and bolero. Now it will search because pad space bolero is be written in many item names. You see, you get many results. So it is always better to write one word in one box and another word in another box. You can also write part number like 2025 pad. It will give you a list of items where 2025 and pad is written in item name. I click on save. Okay, you get 3 options. Suppose you want to search power steering pump for bolero, so I write pump or bolero. Now you get all the pumps. As we were looking for power steering pump, we are also getting fuel pump, we are also getting water pump. The reason is we search for pump and bolero, we didn't write steering. So for steering we can write steering, or we can write just ST. If you're not sure of a spelling word, you can write ST is going to be there in the item name. That's why we write ST here and click save. So now we get steering pump, all the steering pumps for bolero. Now suppose we want to search for Scorpio power steering pump. We can just write score, that's all. We don't need to write the full word. Let's click save. We get all the pumps for Scorpio. Now suppose we make a spelling mistake. We write SCER instead of SCOR. Then click here. Then we don't get any result. So whatever you write, the spelling must be correct. Even if it is half, it must be correct. Suppose I click here bolero and injector. Click here. Now you get a lot of result. You get injector sensor also, you get injector control valve also. So the point is, if all of these words, first word, second word and the third word are in the item name, then only it will search for the item. So you must always try to enter the words which you think are definitely going to be in the item name. Suppose you want to search for all the Delphi injectors that we have, so you can write Delphi. If you are not sure of the spelling, then you can write the half spelling also, Del and inject. Now click save. You get all the Delphi injectors that we have. Once you see the product which you require, you can click add order. To add order, change the quantity, or you can go to add button in the wish list for later confirmation of order.